Hello and good morning traders, welcome to the Elite Traders Group Daily Market Wrap, the 14th of December 2011. My name is Matt Dibb. I'm going to walk you through a couple of markets that we've been looking at. Some commentary firstly on our favourite, the Dow Jones. Got the cash chart here. We saw it cool off a little bit. There's a lot of volatility last night. It was actually performing quite well, and then it got hit with retail sales out 0.2%. Which was much less than expected at 0.6%, and also, well, no surprise there, the FOMC meeting, 0.25% they're going to leave rates at. Now, it wasn't so much that, but the market was looking at the commentary from the FOMC meeting, and really it was the absence of any talk about stimulus, quantitative easing, round 3, etc., that dimmed hopes for the market. So we saw a bit of a sell-off following that. We can see it's fading away at 11,950. This resistance now seems a mile away at 2,280. So for the time being, I don't see a break in this market just as yet. Should it break technically over this Christmas period, then I foresee a further rally. But right now, just really choppy market conditions. Have a look at the last week there. Now, yesterday I was talking about gold US dollar. We didn't end up putting out a recommendation on this one as yet. I was talking about the 150-day moving average and the bounce that we generally see off that. Let's just have a quick look. Now, 9 times over the last 2 years, it has bounced off this 150-day moving average. This time, however, it has crashed through. Now, we've got a number of high-profile analysts and economists who predict that we're going to see further downside within the gold market, even possibly at 1450, I think it was, that Dennis Gartman came out on CNBC yesterday and said. So there is a bit of a concern now that we have seen a confirmed break of that and a further sell-off last night. Where is it going to head today? Look, if we do see some support build up around this 1600 mark, we'll be looking for a dead cat bounce, and we will be looking at establishing some call options, probably closer to around mid-January expiry. So we'll be keeping a very, very keen eye on the gold market. Another one to also look at, we're in soybeans right now. I've been in this for a couple of days, soybean oil, as a result of a very bearish WASDE report that was released last week. We're currently trading at, 49.25 here. We got in here at 49.15 short, so we're behind about 0.1, not much. We're expecting much further downside. We can see a lot of volatility day to day within this market, but it is going to present, I think, a bearish technical signal, so we're looking for a confirmed break of that 49 mark for further downside as well. Other than that, I do like, and to go back to the precious metals for just a second, I am liking the idea of a put option on silver. We can pick that up relatively cheap. Silver, without a doubt, always has more pressured selling than gold. Have a look at obviously the last 2 instances this year where we saw about 15% wiped off in only 12 minutes. If we see a break of around this 29 mark, then we're going to be looking at some put options on it, as long as we can get that at a quite a cheap premium on the silver market. Hey guys, thanks very much for listening to the Elite Traders Group update for this morning. Look, if you're wanting to receive live trade recommendations, if you're wanting discount full service broking and some of the lowest margin requirements in futures, foreign exchange and CFDs in Australia or even internationally, contact us to subscribe. Don't hesitate to send me an email, dib@halifaxonline.com.au. My phone number's down there, both local and international, or at least for the daily reports. Don't hesitate to subscribe and leave a comment in the section below. Thanks very much for your time, everyone. We'll chat again tomorrow. Cheers.